for Accra as a folk because I think they were a big opportunity. Opportunity between me and now, the interesting part of the conversation is say Algeria for any Bono, a very, very good defense record from the qualifying rounds to WAFCON Angasa one. In fact, in the qualifying rounds, games boy to friendlies in the qualifying last set 2 no, consider a single goal. Are one of the meanest defense of competition. On my last 2 friendly games, boys, consider 3 goals. Consider a single goal also over there. And I'm ball in the first round of the competition. Consider a single goal. Not a single goal. Winning 1-0 against Botswana. Ball draw 0-0 against fellow North African side Tunisia. And ball 0-0 against Nigeria. Nigeria or Zambia a border chi 9. Algeria for no held them. Yes, it was the final game of the group, so you could cut them some slack. But the good thing is that Rich game no ebeyede. The ebeyede is say the Algerians are not coming to play against any team that's not good. They are playing against the one of the only few sides that throughout the group stage, seem to share 4 goals in one game, which is the Black Queens. The Black Queens against Tanzania is so 4-1. You lose 2-0 to South Africa, and your ball draw to Team Efreno, Mali, and your second game. So they are coming to play a very good attack, which on any day I can bet my money also will be successful against them. I think that how this game pans out depends on your starting 11 here, Dibeko. Okay. Bedumo, Boeduamo, Asantuamo, Princess Mo, how we manage them. Your friend is saying, Boy Hawkamo. All of these players will be very, very important in how we play in your game. Your native, your friend of Algeria. Rich, I think that your game where how Kemalasin will use Nyameche will be very important because she was a difference maker for us. So that is Boy Hawker in the last game, your boy. I think that Nyameche is a good player. I don't know why I own starts, Maybe the game dynamics and he knows what he's seeing in training. And maybe we're so using as a super sub. But if we use the Nyameche wall, we have a good chance. I think we can go through tonight at 4 p.m.
Your starting is pretty. I'm on Nimbolo. You say no, we 2 games in the Bishop. I thought Nigeria and Zambia game was going to be tight. Marriage. Nigeria for the say, look, AFCON you have 8 times. And you are the queens of Africa for a reason. You know, competition in Bochi will be out for a reason. You starting game and you 2 minutes count say first go. Zambia for 2 money, even with Barbara Banda. No matter 5-0. At your moon self, you might know BNU say it's going to be difficult. And what your moon self easy. And they've told them you're from this is the knockout stages. I know you're teaching fire. Wow. And you don't give mercy for the cripple. No, I have to look at you. What a story it will be if Black Queen's Pono. And for a coin and chain or after. And me that will be one of the messages I will give to the Queens. And Morocco found the Mali for that Tomo place 3-1. The point I want to make is say, you're starting knockout stages, Rich. Omo rich history. Now Omo matches a man AFCON winning. They've managed the knockout stages, business, quick. About history. You're reaching Algeria. Algeria in your country, Kesebia, Bama, footballer. Yen and see a Tekodaye. But we want to remind the continent, say, we are coming back. And there is a job we need to do. Yes, I am correct. What Fifi said. I think Algeria game, machining in was only Tunisia. Drawn. They offer a lot defensively. Marriage going forward, almost said that any giddy biasa. But only in the trick, in the knockout, Rich, you can't just say you want to defend. Because if you defend and you don't score, you don't qualify. And there will be points in the game. Algeria for them say they will have to come and score if they want to qualify ahead of the Black Wings. We show you 3 group games in our boy now. Even though we lost to South Africa, we drew to Mali, and we won handsomely
against Tanzania.
But Rich, you have 3 games now. You can attribute some to hard luck. You attribute some to inexperience because as we've not been successful and saying it just say, we are not so familiar with success. G3 came last was also learning the terrain of African football kakra. Now our reshuffle the team no. But against Tanzania, or correcting the mistakes in the first 2 games after what they adubia money princess mo or Benchi Evelyn Bedumo and yeah say okay I think the way African football is here no this is my first 11 we have princess money adubia mo I was speed with our flank ho na later my introduce Evelyn Bedumo or more of technicians our game ni no he was able to get the results. Me I am just looking at say we will pick the momentum from the Tanzanian game now yen shackle of sir I will prepare lack of composure because Rich, some game that Misha 5 and Uncle should give you the confidence. So now you have arrived in the tournament. And Adia and they say the players here in the Champions League, you know, Rich, in tournaments, you want to pick as and when the tournament is progressing. And pick at the right time within the tournament. And I think we are picking at the right time within the tournament. Menka say Algeria will be pushovers. But games na ma share our sa Emma Afcon when there, which I think say we should be good enough. Say you bet me assure our money so yet me a bookie your next stage, you know. Until you be bumpire there mom so for there. Just a few hours away. Na Ghana ni bi amesrewa na ya manage na kono nti bumpire na wakai omo na ya bobia mom so Yankopon fa lack any bibia e wo game bia and form last time I can same way and that will be my parting comment. Rich, we are doing very very well with women's football. Make domestically the administration and bibia it must at least reflect in their Black Queens. We should get to the semi-final and have a test against Morocco. Now we've made progress when it comes to women's football and we are rising in Kaka. We will be able to get the we show you all the best and I hope say by 6 year now you good news from the camp of your Black Queens for no or Bekani Morocco Rich.
I say right now young common and Casano